Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you how to use location sharing in Google Maps. This can be useful for sharing your location between family or friends. For example, in a family situation, you could have children needing to be kept safe, or husband and wife, or partner, or anyone else. Or between friends when going on a road trip or a hiking trip. This can be quite handy and maybe as a safety. So let's have a look how to do it. In your phone, go into Google Maps app. And this is similar in principle in Apple devices if you've got the Google Maps app. So once you're in, make sure on the right you're signed in. Then in the right hand menu you see a section called location sharing. So touch on that and you can see you've got your location marked, and at the top you can touch the plus sign to add people or hit get started. I'm just going to hit get started, and as you can see you can share your location for a certain period of time or until you turn it off. Only for the timed location sharing can you use messages to share your location. But if you use until you turn this off, you need to add people from your contact list or actual Gmail accounts. So this is probably a safety thing. And also when you use the continuous sharing, you can't use other methods of sharing. If you're on the timed, you can hit more, and as you can see, lots of other options. So I'll go ahead and share it for 1 hour with a couple of friends. So I've just shared my location with a friend. He's going to have to accept it on his end. So you'll probably see it as an email, or within his Google Maps app, he will be able to see that as well. So that's about it. That's how you share your location. Now to cancel it, just press the X next to each person at the top. Select the person at the top and then turn off the location sharing and remove from the list. And that's it. You can just turn it off and add them later if you regularly share your location with that person from time to time. Anyhow, thank you, and that's the end of the tutorial.